We are now connected with reporter Andira Putri at Senen Station for updates on when this new policy will take effect, especially for rail transport. Andira, what can you tell us about this new policy?
Yes, Yani and Rory, we're at Senen train station, Central Jakarta, to see the implementation of the newest travel regulation. So yesterday, based on Community Emergency Activity Restrictions Evaluation meeting, travelers for domestic destinations are no longer required to show their PCR or antigen test results as long as they have already received the complete doses of COVID-19 vaccination. What I mean by complete doses is like you already received the first and the second dose of vaccinations. And this goes to travelers who want to go by plane, train, or also ships. However, right now in Senen Central Station, there still hasn't been any changes because currently PT KAI still wait for an official letter from the Ministry of Transportation. So they will give updates, so they will adjust with the new changes if they already received the letter from the Ministry of Transportation. And for more details, here is the statement from PT KAI Public Relations President Johnny Martinus.
Atau sampai dengan saat ini, Kereta Api Indonesia masih mengacu kepada Surat Edaran Kementerian Perhubungan nomor 97 tahun 2021 tentang syarat perjalanan menggunakan kereta api. Jika pemerintah menetapkan perubahan persyaratan, maka dengan tentu PT KAI akan senantiasa mematuhi kebijakan tersebut dan kami akan melakukan sosialisasi kepada masyarakat pelanggan kereta api terkait dengan pemberlakuan aturan baru tersebut nantinya.
As I mentioned before, since there hasn't been any changes, everything still flow like usual, which means that passengers have to show their antigen test results, which they have taken within 24 hours, as well as COVID-19 vaccination proof. They also need to check in on the Peduli Lindungi application, so whenever they enter the departure gate to go to other city, they have to show this all and the security continue to check them. Aside from that, the swab antigen booth in Senen train station are also still available, and we see that some people are still queuing. And there hasn't been much confusion today, and we will give you further updates if there are any information. Meanwhile, there has been an update, an official letter from the Ministry of Transportation regarding people who want to travel by plane. So starting from today, the 8th of March, people, like I mentioned before, it's basically a follow-up from yesterday's evaluation meeting. So people who have received the complete dose of COVID-19 vaccination is no longer mandatory to show their PCR or antigen test results. Still, they have to follow the health protocols such as wearing masks and always keep your hand sanitized and do physical distancing while check in on Peduli Lindungi applications. And if there are further updates, we will continue to give you more information. Back to the studio.
Andira, thank you so much for your report from Senen train station in Central Jakarta.